coconut oil and some vegetable oil, and then you add your onions, let it fry, and then you can add some ground peppers. After that's frying, or leave it to fry, and then add some spices. I added salt, seasoning cubes, and ground Cameroon pepper. Leave that to fry, and then stir it occasionally until it's fried for like about 15 minutes. Once that is fried, you can go ahead and add your coconut milk and some stock. After that, I added my ground crayfish and I left it to come to a boil. Then I added the meat and fish, smoked fish, and then I added my rice. Then I left it to cook for about 40 minutes. Depends on the amount of rice you're cooking, honestly. Guys, don't stir unless you're using a non-stick pot. My pot is a non-stick pot. So once it's cooked, you then add fresh basil and serve.